Hello my loves, today I'm taking you into Bangkok's craziest nightlife scene. Where we are walking now is the famous nightlife hotspot of Bangkok, a long strip of bars, restaurants and clubs. Highly recommended by everyone who has been here. It is visited by most tourists and some locals enjoy a good night out here. What can you expect here in Khaosan Road? From street food vendors serving authentic dishes, you might want to grab a bite before exploring this street. And I recommend that you wear comfortable shoes such as sneakers because you don't want to walk uncomfortably in a crowded night scene. If you get tired, you can stop by and get a massage on the strip and relax a little bit. Let's start by checking out this cool restaurant for one drink, Buddy Beer. I recommend it for couples or families if you want to have dinner and hide away from the busy main street.
How I'm longing for this day. Yes, I'm single, oh, we won't mingle, and my friends are on the way.
The best time to visit Khaosan Road is at 7 p.m. It's very lively, people start coming in large numbers, and that's when most places are open. Let's take a stroll around and check more places. You can basically do just about anything, including shopping, as we can visibly see clothing stalls here. More and more food for the hungry stomachs. There is so much to buy and so much to eat. Now I hopped into a very cute looking bar called Pineapple Bar and Restaurant. It's a new establishment and they're gradually opening, but you will for sure enjoy their cocktails and music vibes. The next place I'm checking is the craziest scenery, a club in the center of this long strip that grabs away all the attention, The One. It is the most vibey place with really loud music, dancers for your entertainment, and I assure you it is worth a visit. Everyone seems to be enjoying this space. There's just a little corner for everyone in terms of style. You can come across more sophisticated places where older people prefer over really wild young people vibes. And oh, you can stop by a very interesting stall here selling alligator meat and try some. Let's check my next place, which is a little hideaway from the strip called Mr. Chip, a cool and chic bar full of youth. It's just a more relaxed, chill out pub with music. It's nice to sit and mingle with friends. I'm definitely feeling more relaxed, enjoying a glass of wine over really cool music.
I can feel the heat is rising, and the beat is hypnotizing. Oh, no, we run the show. Let's get loud, come on, lose control. Got to
As the night goes on, the more vibes of fun, more people, and definitely good energy. Everyone is happy.
Everybody singing, oh, everybody singing, oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in.
Don't forget to visit Khaosan Road. You won't regret it, my loves. One of the best places in Bangkok for your nightlife experience. Moving on to Bangkok's crazy nightlife, one of the best parties to check is themed parties such as this one, a pool party taking place in Western Grande Sukhumvit. If you want to get updates of crazy fun parties in Bangkok, you can check out a page on Instagram called Medstash. They have a lineup of upcoming nightlife events, and I came across this pool party that's got all the vibes of a good Saturday afternoon outing. Everyone is definitely dressed for the theme and ready to jump in the water. This is a really cool party if you want to meet people and make friends. The music is good, and as the night goes by, the crazier it gets. Once it's darker, everyone is happy to jump inside the pool. I jumped into, had an amazing time, met people, and now it is time to rock, dance, and have a crazy night. Clearly having the best time of my life. It is such an epic night, and the after party of this pool party is held in a hip-hop club called Sugar in Sukhumvit 11. Another long strip of bars and clubs in Bangkok to visit. The club is very lively and as crazy too. Make sure to check it out when you are in Bangkok. Of course, nightlife is not only the wild side here in Bangkok. There's just a lot of places to choose from, and if you want a nightlife for a more sophisticated night, Techuka Rooftop is one among famous rooftop bars to check out. It's a more exclusive nightlife spot, famous for having an avatar looking like glowing tree in the center, and the best part about it, the best views of Bangkok city at night. Here you can enjoy some amazing cocktails and chilled music. You can comfortably dress smart, wear your heels, and look fabulous. Take as many pictures as you can because it is the most Instagrammable place to visit. Techuka Rooftop Bar is located in Sukhumvit 40 in T1 building. It is definitely a must visit. I highly recommend it for couples on a romantic night out. For another nightlife experience, you can check out Thonglo Road, another hotspot of bars and restaurants here in Bangkok. If you're a wine lover like me, you can head down to Divino to enjoy a variety of wine selections and enjoy a good meal with your wine. It's another exclusive spot for a good night out. You can take a walk around the area to find more places to enjoy from. There is a lot of bars, a lot of clubs, restaurants, a lot of people, and it's a more exclusive place to visit. Now I'm checking another exciting bar called the Locker Room Bar, a hidden gem, which indeed is hidden. You have to find your way into the bar from these lockers. Luckily, I met a couple trying to find it just like me, and we managed. It's very discreet and such a dark room, which is the whole concept anyway. Here you can enjoy really good cocktails and chill out, make friends, conversate, and have an amazing time. I hope this video gave you an insight of the nightlife you anticipate to have when you visit Bangkok. If you like this video, don't forget to add this channel to your watch list and give this video a thumbs up. From me today, it's all love. Toodles, toodles.
Por todo yo brindo, desde lo feo hasta lo lindo. Tú eres una prueba que el mundo a mí nunca me brindó. Quería casarme, yo tan loco en ilusionarme.